Hello, my name is Jim Mullaney from SciTech Process Solutions. Today is Monday, August 1st, 2022. I hope everyone's having a nice summer. Today I'm doing a video acceptance of a brand new SciTech 880S spin rinse dryer. This system, video will be uploaded to our YouTube channel for our customers' review, so we do not give their name. However, we give their purchase order number. It's 24115419. This system has the following four options. It has your resistivity monitor for your DI water, has your anti-static for static control and particle control. It has your water recirculation to help stop any dead legs for any bacteria growth. And it also has what we call our easy side access panels. These panels can be taken off without the whole side panel. There's one top rinser dryer, bottom rinser dryer, both sides. Okay, and then also obviously the state-of-the-art SciTech S1 graphical controller, the #1 controller in the world. I'll go ahead and start this machine, then talk about our manufacturing process, and then our support. The customer required two rotors. This is for the A194 60MB for 6-inch. And actually, this rotor is so nice I didn't have to have wafers in it, but let me put some wafers in. There we go. A little cross slot. Let's fix that. Alrighty. And then down below, it's the Integris cassette A192 81M, which is low profile 200 millimeter. So you simply load your two cassettes and we'll hit start. For our video demonstration, we give a pretty typical process. We have a rinse. That's a quality rinse step. We'll then have a purge. What the purge step does, it blows the water out of the DI lines. Then we have a dry 1, which is a high RPM dry with hot end 2 and heater blankets. We also then drop down into a dry 2, which is the basically mimics dry 1 but at lower RPM, plus the anti-static modules come on. Okay, we're just moving into purge right now. I believe we set our purge for 1800 RPM. Beautiful, 1800, perfect. And the bottom one is ramping up, 1800. There we go, excellent. For reference on our graphic controller, green means it's activated. We have the N2 valve on, the N2 heater on, the bowl heater on, and the low pressure purge valve on. You can also see the graphic orientation there. You can also see the 20 PSI sensors met. I won't go into detail on our state-of-the-art slick device controller, only because this controller has many videos on our YouTube channel. You can see that. This system is also CE marked. On the back we have our serial tag, which has the CE marking. I'll also include the CE certification with this. This customer has bought a variety of tools from us throughout the years, and they have standardized on our state-of-the-art slick device controller. As you running beautiful. I'll talk about our manufacturing process. So on a new build, what we do is we pull all the parts for the build. That's done in our, we call it dry manufacturing, by one of our technicians. Once he builds the head assembly up on a stainless steel table, no poly, no controllers, not the controllers that go with it, I should say. We have a second quality control technician review the work. If it passes, the head assembly is rolled into final test. We hook it up to the DI system. We then check for any leaks, any fittings, and so forth. We do, if it passes, then we have another technician come in and do the DI review. If it passes that, then we go ahead and do approximately 50 process runs to burn in. If it has no faults, we then bring the head assemblies and we put them into their configuration. In this case, it's a double stack. We bring the polyene frame in, we get the controllers, we get the servo amps, etc. We then put it in its configuration without the side panels on. Run it for approximately 50 process runs again, check the side check to make sure everything's good inside, there's no vibration, no leaks. Then we go ahead and button it up and then release to sales for a video. We also include our visual light sources. Green means good, means you're running process. Amber or yellow means you're waiting. Blue means unload me, and then red is an alarm. At the end of the process, there's an alarm screen if something happened and you hit the alarm screen, and it brings up a large variety of alarms that could have happened, and you can then either clear the alarm or you can put the system in tool down mode, and it'll flash tool down across the top so the operator doesn't use it while maintenance comes. On this tool, this 880S, we have 100% spare parts, all brand new. We have the motors, the servo drives, the slick device controllers. We have heater blankets. We have the process sensors. We have all the valving, all the ACR and solenoid valving. 100% brand new, anything and everything. If you go to our website at sitechprocess.com, on the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of buttons. The first 7 buttons are all Semitool spin rinse dry related, or Sitech spin rinse dry related. The top one is our new machines. We offer the new S models. We do F as in Frank and the traditional ST. The next 3 buttons are all the spare parts. What we try to do in our system is we have a visual review of the part on the website. We also give our part number and any past reference part numbers, because over the years there's been a lot of part numbers associated with different parts. That way it makes it easy for customers to search that part and then come up with the right part they need. The 7th button I talked about, that's for our WST and SST spare part support. We're not quite in depth as that as we are in the rinser dryers, but we have some. You'll also see we have the next button is Vertec. Sitech 2.5 years ago purchased the Vertec product line. We are now the OEM for the basically competing US spin rinse dryer from the last 20 years. We do control repairs, full refurbishments for the Vertex, spare parts, etc., etc. How much time do we have left? Okay, we have about 81 seconds left. For the next minute and a half, I'll talk about some of our other support. The Integris box washers, that's the Floorwear Integris box washers. The 8000, 8010, 8020, 8030, we have full spare parts support on that. We actually have a system, hopefully it'll be videoed today on that system, and you can see those buttons. We also do quite a lot of the high pressure mask and wafer scrubbers. That'd be Ultra T, Ultratech, K&S, etc. All right, 55 seconds. On metrology, we do KLA particle counters. That'd be the KLA 10 core, the 4500, 5500, 6000 class. We do Prometric systems. We have nanometrics tools. We have DECTAC systems. So we have quite a range of film inspection and thickness measurement systems. We also do a lot of customers photoresist pumps, the IDI, the Millipore, and the Cybor. Full pump repairs, full pump packages for customers. Okay, 25 seconds left. At the end of the process, as it spins down at approximately 70 RPM, the RSP, or rotor stop positioner, will fire. It'll upright the SRD, what I call home position, which is 12 o'clock. I'll hear the door release. You probably can't hear that. And you'll see the come up and say, hopefully successful process. Alrighty, it's braking. And there we go. I just heard the rotor stop fire. Heard the bottom one go. Okay, this gives you a quick summary of the process. The process complete. You can now open the door. It gives you the times. It says successful. If you had a problem, it's a unsuccessful, and you go to the alarm screen. To clear this, you can do it 3 ways. You hit OK, you open the door, or you clear the button. I'll just go ahead and open the door. That's the obvious, the easiest one for the operator. Feel for the heat. Yeah, nice and hot. Cassette's nice and warm. Wafers are dry. Looks good. For the bottom one, what I'll do is, there's blue means unload me. And how about we hit OK on this one? Just OK. And let me do the same thing. Ooh, nice and warm down there. Cassette looks good. Nice and dry. Wafers are nice and dry. Alrighty, so that will conclude this very short video source inspection that we're going to upload to our YouTube channel for our customer. We actually, there's no acceptance required. We'll upload it so he can see it anyway, or they can see it anyway. If there's any questions about our spin rinse dryer support, our metrology work, our photolithography equipment, you can go to our website at sitechprocess.com. You can, again, use the buttons on the left-hand side. There's about 20 altogether for a certain product type. You can search anything in the search box, and then on any product page, there's a contact sales. You click that button, you put in a little bit of information, it'll be sent to our sales organization, and they'll get back to you. If you'd like to call us, our number here in the United States is 916-797-9000, and we'll work with you to help you get your spare parts or equipment needs. Again, today is Monday, August 1st, 2022. Thank you, and have a great day.